Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is positive action. It's time for to spring into action and actually put some work behind all these thoughts. I know you have a great idea. You dot every I, you cross every T, you have great punctuation, meaning you're very logical, you're a genius. Whatever you want to do right now in your building, you put a lot of thought into it where you cannot lose. So now it's time to put some work behind that. Give Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ something to work with, because faith without works are dead. It's time for you to put that vision into the 3D. Layer that foundation brick by brick today. Positive action means do what you can today. And what doesn't work today, maybe it may work tomorrow. Maybe it will work next week. But as long as you do something, if your main idea doesn't work today, that's fine. Don't get frustrated. Pick plan B, plan C. Do something, layer a brick today, and then try tomorrow, the next day. Who knows when the day that you actually wanted to do your plan, accomplish your plan for today shall be. We always don't get our way, but we don't always get our way how we want to get our way, but we shall always get our way as long as we keep layering our bricks and moving forward. I focus on the beauty in me and I find silence. I live and honor the present by doing what I can now, and what I cannot change, I let go and entrust to God. You're in the perfect timing, right place, right thinking, so continue to move forward because I need you. The entire world needs you and what you're making. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.